Hi guys, welcome to my life as I live it. My name is Kenna and I am a Cameroonian YouTuber based in Douala, Cameroon. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. So today I am going to be sharing with you something I tried. So if you have been on this channel for a while, you know that I always cook every single day, but seeing that I had a new job and I had to start going out of the house every day, I have been trying to make things easy as possible for me. So I decided to try cooking in bulk for a week, because I've heard a lot of women who work say, oh, every weekend I just take my Saturday or my Sunday and I cook whatever thing we have to eat for the week. So I decided to try this, because you cannot say something is not good until you try it. So yeah, I went ahead and tried it, and I'm going to be showing you guys how everything went. So generally, you know, everything is already in the house. So what I did was just look again to remind myself, like, okay, this is what is in the house, this is what's not in the house. I looked, and then I sat down and I made a list of what I wanted to cook. And before I did that, I always ask the kids, like, what would you like to eat this week? I asked my husband, like, is there anything in particular that you want to eat? This is what we have in the house, what do you think? Do you want to eat any of these things? And he might be like, oh, I've been craving this thing or that thing. So that's something I do. I always ask everybody in the house, not every day, sometimes I'll just ask. So after asking and gathering all the information, I sat down and I made a list of what I was going to cook. So yeah, after making my list, I just went straight up in the kitchen and started cooking. So guys, please ignore Myra's hair. I'm going to tie it back here because it's like it's disturbing you guys. I will see, this is what happens when you go and say they should do the baby's hair when you're not there. They just, I don't know, I just feel like Myra is suffering, and considering that she really cries when they're plaiting her hair, I cannot even start loosening it. But I just feel like she looks cray cray. You look cray cray, mama? Myra is not feeling too fine. She has a cold, so she has just been acting baby. She wants me to carry her. Anyway, that's not why we are here. I want to try that. I've been cooking every day, guys. I've been cooking every day since I started working. I've been cooking every day, and sometimes I get really exhausted, because when I go to work and I come back home, I have to start struggling to do meal prep. If it's something that's really tedious, I just prefer to cook it the night before. And guys, it gets me really tired, because you're coming home, you're not coming home with the mindset that, oh, I'm coming to relax. You're coming home with the mindset that, oh, I have to come and start cooking something to eat, you get. So it's just too exhausting and tedious for me. So I've decided to try the, how they call it, to cook in bulk. So today I'm planning to cook like 4 soups. Okay, I'll probably cook vegetable, egusi vegetable. I'll probably cook granite soup, and then I will cook beans. I have to go and put the beans on the fire now, make the charcoal, put the beans so that it should be boiling. I'm going to as well cook what's the other thing? I don't know, but I know I'll cook another thing. I don't know, maybe I'll cook a granite soup that can be eaten with gari. I don't know. So I'll be cooking that, and I want you guys to join me on this experience. Okay, I know it is not going to be easy. I know I'll be exhausted, but I want to try it. Just cook these soups and put it inside the fridge, so that I know that on each morning I just get up and I boil their content and I go to work.
Been friends since 1995. Growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die. Years it would grow us apart, yeah. Moved away, but you're still in my heart, yeah. Call you up, how you been? Can we play and rewind? Yeah, those other guys are true. They don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you for so long. You there with a broken heart. If you knew, I've been waiting on you. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, I've been waiting on you. Come small. When the rain couldn't get any clearer, I'm the one holding up all your mirrors, baby. Hurry up, back to me, why'd you ever move on? Yeah, you're making me confused. I'm the one that you should choose. I've been waiting on you. I've been waiting on you for so long, and it's killing me to see you there with a broken heart. If you knew, I've been waiting on you. I've been waiting on.
We have how they call this? Ogbono, jangsa, fried fish, smoked fish, leeks, green peppers, boiled smoked meat, and bitter leaf. I hope I've not forgotten anything. These are the things I'm still working, guys. I'm still working, but at the moment, the granite soup is on the fire. This is what we're going to eat today. On the fire. These plantains, I think they're ready. Hi guys, so it's the end of the week and I just decided to come and give you guys an update. Funny thing, guys, I did not take pictures of anything after cooking. Like, I'm just like, what happened? Each day I come back home, I'm tired, I just serve my food and eat. I completely forgot even that I was shooting this video. But anyway, I cannot let the images go to waste, because it would have really been nice if I'll show you when I'm talking about beans and dodo or this or whatever, I'm showing the pictures, but I did not. And even on the day that I was doing the cooking, I got really tired from all the work. I was so exhausted, so I did not actually save anything. So I'm just going to, I cannot leave this video like that, so I'm just going to tell you people the advantages probably and the disadvantages of doing this. So like I said, I tried it for a week to see if it's something that will work for me, because guys, basically I've been getting really tired all the time. When I come back from work, I have to start rest for like an hour. I start preparing what I'll cook in the morning, or sometimes if it's something, one of those meals that you know that is going to take too long to cook, I have to cook it that evening before going to bed. So it was kind of stressful and difficult for me. So yeah, I just decided to try this, and honestly guys, I feel it is the best, especially for working moms, especially that person who you don't have a lot of strength, you don't want to, how can I put it, you don't have the strength to come back, you have a lot of work in your office, you don't want to come back to the house and start thinking of what to cook. If you're that person, then I think this is going to work perfectly for you. So I have a couple of advantages of this. So the first thing is that it saves you time. That time that you would have taken to go and sit and start cooking every single day, you get up in the morning, you can do something else with your time. So I think that is perfect. It saves you time. Even if you're just home and you have a lot of things to do, you could still decide to cook in bulk, because you don't have to start worrying about cooking anymore. You could just concentrate and do different things. The second thing is that it saves you money. Honestly, the amount of spices and ingredients that I used to cook this meal was less than what if I had to get up every day and cook a big pot of food. Like, I just took a whole lot of tomatoes, blended, and then I was cooking each pot of soup. But if I was supposed to cook every day, and let me say I would have used approximately like 20 or 15 tomatoes, but if I was to cook every single day you get to use like 6 tomatoes, 5 tomatoes. So at the end of the day, you will notice that you would spend more. So I think this particular way of cooking is more economical. So if you're trying to look to do something more economical, you should try this. And then the next one is that if you're that lazy person who doesn't like cleaning, you clean less, because you know, every time when you cook, you have to clean after yourself, you have to wash plates, do this one. But in this case, you have already cooked, so you don't have to do all that unnecessary cleaning. Necessary cleaning, actually, it's not unnecessary. You don't have to do all that cleaning. You have already cooked, you have saved it in the freezer. You just take it out, put it into the pot, wash only that bowl, keep. If you want to boil your rice or your plantain, you just boil. You don't need 15 different bowls. Like when you're cooking, you have bowl for onion, bowl for tomato, bowl for this. Yeah, you have to start cleaning. So if you're that person that dreads the cleaning, it's going to work perfectly for you. And then last but not least, it minimizes waste. We all know that buying in bulk is good, but one of the disadvantages of buying in bulk is that you could easily waste, because sometimes when you buy certain things, they get bad before the end of the month. So this minimizes waste. All those things that you bought that maybe you would have kept, would have gotten dry in the fridge, would have gotten bad, you're not going to worry about that anymore, because you're cooking it there and there. So it eases things. So yeah, guys, Karen is here. Karen is here. She won't let me rest. I'm coming. And don't even try. I'm not eating. I'm dead hungry. Guys, like I said, Karen is here. She will not let me rest. She will not leave me to rest. Anyway, so like I said, I tried it, and honestly, guys, I'm not one of those people who will say I liked the feeling of getting up in the morning, not having anything to do, just chilling. But I grew bored at one point, because I've been home all through of last week, and that is when I did that. So I really grew bored. I was just like, oh my god, I need to do something. Like, I need to get up and have something to do. So I grew bored. If you're like me, who easily get bored, cook every day. It's easier. But yeah, it's a good idea, but I tried it. I did not like it, so I don't think I'll do it anymore, except once in a while. But generally, I don't like it. I'll prefer to cook every single day. So guys, tell me in the comment, why has my nose been scratching since the beginning of this video? Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you're here and you have not yet subscribed, what did I do to you? What are you doing with your life? Please subscribe to me. Thanks very much for watching, and I am going to see you on the next one. Love you. Bye. Mwah, mwah.